Ja, de vakantie is voorbij. Het nieuwe schooljaar staat voor de deur. En dat betekent ook weer de start van het nieuwe schooljaar. En dat betekent ook weer heel veel nieuwe studenten. Oftewel, heel veel nieuwe Limburgers. Maar de vraag is, wat weten zij nou eigenlijk over ons mooie Limburg? You're a new citizen from Maastricht, but also you're a new Limburger. You know what Limburg is?
Yeah, I do know what Limburg is.
What is it?
Isn't it a city, is it?
You know which city?
Maastricht.
You know which province?
Limburg.
Wow, could you point Limburg on this map of Holland?
It has to be
Sure?
down here. Well, if this is Maastricht, it has to be down there.
Ja.
Ik twijfel tussen deze en deze.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, here. No?
10 points for you!
Yay!
Which flag is from Limburg?
Dit is Brabant. Dit is dit is Limburg, want ik weet het. 100. Jawel, dit is Limburg.
Top right. Oh, I've seen what I've seen.
It's from Maastricht. Nee!
Non hier. I'm gonna go with this one.
10 points for you! Yeah! The next one. It's a famous dish in Limburg. What is it?
Pie?
Some sort of pie?
Fly? Fly. What is it?
Fly.
Fly? Like
Fly.
fly?
Fly. But fly.
Oh, fly? I don't know.
Fly.
Flying.
Fly.
Fly.
Fly. How do you know?
It's very famous. Star.
Pardon? Pardon?
Oh nee, dit is appeltaart.
Oh.
Niet.
Dit is gewoon Limburgse fly.
Oh,
Geen taart.
zo.
Taart zeg je boven de rivieren.
Oké, ja, sorry.
Wie is deze bekende Limburgse vrouw?
Guus Meeuwis.
The mayor.
De mayor. Maybe.
Is she a politician? No.
She's a famous artist.
Doesn't help.
She's the queen of Limburg.
Oh.
Not like the real queen, but she's called the she's called the queen. She's an artist.
I have no idea.
Beppie Kraft.
Betty Croft.
Beppie?
Beppie
Beppie?
Kraft.
Kraft.
Beppie Kraft.
Beppie Kraft.
Betty Clock.
Beppie Kraft. Great music.
Okay, I'll listen to it at some point then.
What are we celebrating in here?
Christmas?
Christmas? It isn't Santa Claus. Really? Christmas?
It looks like carnival.
Het is carnaval natuurlijk.
Is dat carnaval?
Ja.
Oh.
Alaf.
Allah.
Ja, ja.
Ja.
Eigenlijk in Limburg zeggen we vastelovend.
Vastelavond mensen.
If you see a Limburger, you should say this.
Enne? Enne? Enne.
Enne.
Anne?
Enne.
Anne?
Enne? Enne?
Anne?
Enne?
Anne?
Enne.
Enne.
Anne? Same as, what's up? How are you doing? Speak to a Limburger, you gotta say, Anne?
Enne.
Anne?
Enne.
Anne?
Mag ik wel wat zeggen voor de mensen uit Kerkrade en omstreken?
Oké.
Nieuw.
Dat weet je wel.
Absoluut.
Okay, mooi. Great job, guys. Welcome to Limburg. It was great. Close enough.
Where is this gonna be
On the Limburger television.
Really?
Say hi to mommy in Germany.
Hallo Motta. I made it.